welcome back to my channel, Being Rocky. I hope everyone is having a safe and wonderful day. Guys, we just got into Puerto Rico and we're now docking. So guys, come along with us. Let's enjoy this beautiful island for today.
All right. So pretty, wow. There goes another cruise ship pulling up there. Not sure what the name of that one is.
Regent.
Oh, it's Norwegian or Regent?
No, Regent.
Nice.
And the guy said on this whole ship there's only 400 guests.
Yeah. Wow.
That was the people that wanted to take over the island of Puerto Rico. So they protected, this is the San Geronimo's fort, they protected the backside of the city or the island of Old San Juan. Now in the city itself there's two massive forts, which is San Cristobal and San Felipe del Morro.
So we're up in the forest here. And it's so beautiful. So we're gonna start the tour now. Wow, so beautiful.
Mira, ven, una foto aquí. Romantic one, look at each other, holding hands or something. I know, that looks beautiful. Now turn around and look out towards. One, two. You don't have to smile. Got it.
So we're climbing up the tower and it's 96 stairs. See at the top. So we made it up, 96 stairs. Wow. So beautiful. Let's see down. I don't even want to watch. Wow. All right, so we just went up all the way to the top. It's 97 stairs and we came back down. The views up there is breathtaking. And this is in Puerto Rico. Honey,
Hmm?
imagine if you roll down here
I know. But you can land in water. You can hear the water at the bottom.
at the
there.
bottom, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I forgot how many feet he said we're up.
We're 1,600 feet up.
1,600 feet up. And that's the leaf he says don't touch. It's very poisonous. All right?
It's like poison ivy.
Yeah, like poison ivy. So we're heading to the waterfall now. Wow, look at that. Hello. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. So Honey just climbed up the falls. Now he's coming back down. So brave. Careful, my love. Huh? Oh, wow.
Hi, welcome to Puerto Rico. If you want to do a tour of the rainforest, look for PR Paradise Tours, the best tour you ever had.
Yes, and he's awesome and very friendly. And you used to live in Florida too, right?
New York, actually.
New York. All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. the river. Right, so we're going down to the river. It's beautiful. So we just came from all the way on top there, and now we're down by the river. And it's breathtaking. Wow. So beautiful. What are you picking up? All right. Woo! Good job, hon. And this is in English, it's called the Broken Bridge. And one of the girls from our tour just jumped in the river. Nice. Nice. Wow. Look at the fishies. There's some big ones, hon.
Yeah. A lot of little ones.
Yeah. So
They're not
nice.
scared though.
The water's cold, hon. I'm standing in the water and it's really cold and nice. Very refreshing. So honey's getting a tattoo.
Let's get some black now into it.
Let's see one. Wow.
He's gonna get some black into it now.
All right. How awesome is that? Look.
Check it out. That's a coquille.
Wow.
It's a frog.
Oh, it's the frog.
From the Indians.
Nice. Love it. Look at the fishes. They're next to my foot.
Me eating with water and rock.
How cute.
See how much stones you can skip here also.
We're at the Broken Bridge River in San Juan, Puerto Rico. There goes honey. Look, roosters, hon. You see the chickens? So that's the river we were just in, and it's so beautiful. The water was so refreshing. There goes the chickens. National Rainforest.
Every day, I see him there every day. Same pose, same bottle, same thing. If it's early, he's kind of a little laid low. If it's late, he's very happy and active. Stuck in traffic. And I go home now to traffic.
How far do you live from the port?
From the port, no traffic. It's going to be the historical area. It's Two Brothers Bridge, is what you see right here. There's your ship. Yep, still there. It's a good thing.
Old San Juan.
Yeah, San Juan.
Is that the one you'll take on passengers at the port? Go out, I don't know, 10, 12, 15 miles, 20 miles.
1926 exactly, was the first school of tropical medicine. Also to the left-hand side, you will find the Capitol building, which is completely made out of marble. Marble coming from Georgia, and which is Georgia white on the ground all the time. And you'll also find from Spain and Puerto Rico, Europe and Puerto Rico. It's where they make the laws of Puerto Rico and break them to. Sorry, that came out loud. Anyway, on the left, you're going to find the pier area. So if you're going to your ship, if you're going to walk around Old San Juan and you're going back to your ship, it's downhill. Don't go uphill because you'll go the wrong way. Now, this is the bigger fort I was talking about earlier. This is San Cristobal's fort.
Yeah, this is.
These forts were built in the 1500s to protect against the British, the pirates, the Dutch, and all the people that wanted to take over the island of Puerto Rico. The walls are made at an angle in case any cannonball would hit them. They would ricochet off the walls. The walls were from 20 to 30 feet wide, made out of sand blocks and limestone. Also, from this particular area now is where you're going to find Old San Juan. The historical area starts from this point on. Used to be a wall that surrounded the entire city, and the only entry was through doors. That's why you have the door of San Juan. But there were several doors around the city, but a lot of them were opened up in order to expand the city or open up the city. So from here on, we're going to start to go into the old city. We're going to drive you right through the old city and then drop you off at Columbus Square, where from there you can do your walking. It's only a mile by 3. So you can walk around. Remember, going back to your ship, walk downwards, okay? This fort sits at 140 feet above sea level. This is San Cristobal. The parts of Pirates of the Caribbean was actually filmed in these particular locations. To your right-hand side, you'll also find part of the wall. The northern side of the wall still remains. Most of the southern and eastern side is the one that is missing. You'll also find all these openings were cannons. They were pointing out in different directions, mostly towards the ocean, because that's where most of the attacks came from. 476 cannons were surrounding the city of Old San Juan. To the right is the hood. That's La Perla. Oceanfront hood, yeah. It's a very popular spot for the locals to come and fly kite because it's very windy and it's an open area. It's very known for that. As a kid, I myself came here to fly kites in school trips. In order to avoid that, they also made the cemeteries outside the city. Now, building to the left was the first, it wasn't the first, it was actually the headquarters for the Spanish. Also the jail. Nowadays it's a museum. Also straight ahead you have the first school of tropic. No, that's back there. I'm sorry. This is the first psychiatric hospital. Right now it's art school. So coincidence? Maybe. They built was in the center of the city. Later they realized it was not in a strategic location, so they decided to build this fort ocean level. In one of the attacks, it was destroyed. From then on, they decided to make the massive construction that took over 200 years to build the forts and walls surrounding the entire town of Old San Juan. Who discovered Florida? Ponce de Leon. Yes, very good, very good. He knows his history. Ponce de Leon went to Florida, discovered it, but got shot. So what did he discover? An arrow? Yes. This was his family's home on the right, La Casa Blanca. It's a beautiful residence in the backside as well, with beautiful gardens. It's an amazing house. Well, he went over to Florida, obviously, to discover Florida. He was shot by the people that lived there already. Taken to Cuba, where he died, and then brought to this church you see straight ahead, which is the San Jose Church. This is the second oldest church in the Western Hemisphere, built in 1532. And from there he was transferred down to the cathedral where he lies today. We have what is left of Juan Ponce de Leon sitting in the cathedral of San Juan. This street right here, there's a big festival in the beginning of the year where officially ends Christmas. See, our Christmas starts in November, ends in January, almost February. So this whole street fills up with people. Over 150 to 200,000 people can gather throughout this area, depending on who wants to party. But all these streets are packed with people, and it's a really fun festival. A lot of drinking, a lot of craziness, arts and crafts, but it's actually a religious festival, but nobody knows that. You ask anybody in that festival, what are you celebrating? They don't even know. They just know they want to party. Cathedral. First thing they will do is give thanks to God they made their journey. That's why the door is straight up in the line to the church. Three main streets for shopping: San Francisco, Cristo, which is we just came off, and Fortaleza, which is this one right here. You get thirsty and you want to get a free tasting of piña colada, you can do that here where all these people are standing. Let's just tell them to get out the way. And right there is where you're going to see where the piña colada was created. Excuse me 1 second. Thank you.
Thank you.
Piña colada, because it was invented there.
Wow.
Don Ramon Mingot.
Nice.
1963. When he was making that, they were making the tower in the rainforest. That's everywhere. Why? It's just like Facebook. We have Facebook everywhere now, right? So there wasn't no Facebook at that time. So what they did, they came to the plazas. People got together, socialized like human beings in the plazas. So that's where they would actually go to talk with each other. And then when people left, they talked about those people that lived. So that was where all the gossip would spread and all the things were said. It was in these plazas. For ceiling, Spanish revival type of architecture. And you will find that this was the first casino in Puerto Rico. And this particular building is what it was. And the movie Assassins and Havana Nights was actually filmed.
Wow.
Right here.
In that building. Oh. How about that?
There's your ship. See how close you are to Old San Juan?
Yeah.
So you're like right there.
Okay.
It was a pleasure having you. Thank you very much. Going back?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to go back, right?
So now we're gonna do a little shopping after finishing the tour. And look, there's a Walgreens right here next to the port. So that's our cruise ship right there.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this fun day with me and the wifey in Puerto Rico, San Juan. It's time now, we're heading back to the ship. Gonna take a shower and eat dinner, right?
All right.
So once again, guys, thank you from the bottom of our heart for the love, the support you've shown us on our Facebook page, Being Rocky and Family, our YouTube channel, Being Rocky. And guys, please follow us. We're on TikTok. Thank you once again. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe.